Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we consider the best chair covers for rent. The Trlyc Spandex Folding Chair Covers, pack of 100, in crisp, clean white. Whether you're a party rental business, a wedding planner, or hosting a large event, these chair covers offer a balance of elegance, durability, and ease of use that's hard to beat. First, let's talk fit. These are universal fitted chair covers designed for standard flat front folding chairs without armrests. They comfortably fit widths from 11.8 to 19.7 inches and heights from 27.6 to 30.7 inches. As long as your chairs aren't unusually bulky or equipped with armrests, these covers stretch into place with ease. The fabric blend is 85% polyester and 15% spandex. This gives you flexibility, a wrinkle-resistant finish, and a soft texture. The stitching is solid and reliable, making these covers ideal for repeated use. Perfect for rentals where durability is essential. Application is quick. There are no zippers, fasteners, or complicated instructions. You simply stretch the cover over the chair, tuck it into place, and it's ready in seconds. A lifesaver when you're setting up large events on tight schedules. Underneath, each cover includes reinforced elastic foot pockets. These hug the chair legs securely and help prevent tears. Even when guests move or shift the chairs, the covers stay neatly in place. Cleaning is simple. They're machine washable, hand washable, and dry cleanable with no shrinking, fading, or loss of elasticity. They return from the wash looking fresh and ready for the next event. Aesthetically, they transform ordinary folding chairs into elegant seating. Perfect for weddings, banquets, birthdays, conferences, or any event needing a polished, professional look. Let's recap. Stretchy, durable, wrinkle-resistant, easy to install, easy to clean, and highly versatile. That's why the Trlyc Spandex folding chair covers are our top pick for rental professionals and event hosts. That's it for today's product critique. If you want your chairs to go from basic to beautiful in seconds, this is the product to beat. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews. See you next time.